Please don't do that. Can you stop now? That was funny the first few times. Hi, Achy Dad here. I'm going to do a long-term review on obviously, a humidifier. Let's see. We must have had this 3 years. Now, it has a name that if you're, I think, an American like me who doesn't quite understand or spell well, it's LEVOIT. But my wife, rather smart, has told me that it's pronounced Lavoit. And it is the, hold on, LV600HH. And it's ultrasonic, but it has heat. What I really like about this is that unlike a lot of, almost an insane amount of, hello? You come in, I'm just making a video, so give me a minute with quiet. What I really like about this is that unlike so many electronics now, the display lights can be completely shut off. Everything seems to have lights now. It's crazy. And my wife is ultra sensitive to little electronic LED appliance lights everywhere. I also like that it has 2 levels of heat. It does coolness, timing, had a remote. And as I said, this is like year 3, I think, that we've been using it. So, nice long-term review. So this setting is high fan, 2-hour time off with as much heat as you can. In the summer it does the coolness, which I like. And it doesn't have a filter. We have another one which is great, I'll talk about too. We have a Vicks 2-gallon warm mist, but has a filter. This bubbles and has a great random sound, and but doesn't have anything except this, which I like as far as how much humidity goes. And this light we had to put tape over. This is a fine humidifier in the winter. The kids love to play with this steam.
Is this filter? Yes.
Okay, stay humid out there, and don't forget to give me a like, or if you don't like it, a dislike, and comment. Tell me what I could do more of.